Everyone, it's great opportunity for me to say something about women. Today everyone has a craze to be advanced. But what is the criteria to be advanced? It's a must important thing to decide how we want to be advanced and how we will be advanced. The main thing is that whenever we are not getting awareness about ourselves and when we are not getting awareness about women, we will never be advanced. Its advancements word is coming from French Revolution. What is French Revolution? Everyone know. This is first of all equality. Whenever we are not getting equality, how can we will be advanced? It means वह लड़का और वो लड़की जिस समय तक यह सोचता रहता है कि लड़कियां अगर सोचती है कि मैं लड़की हूँ, that's why I am below, and boys whenever they will understand I am better than, then where we get the equality? कोई भी लड़का तब तक एडवांस नहीं हो सकता है जब तक वह जहां से इमर्ज होता है उसका सम्मान न कर सके। कोई भी लड़की तब तक एडवांस नहीं हो सकती है जब तक वो अपने पावर को नहीं जान पाए। We have to know how we are, where we are and what we have to do. जब तक आप खुद को नहीं पहचानोगे, आप किसी से इज्जत की उम्मीद मत करना। और जब आप में असमानता है तो आप तो हकदार ही नहीं है एडवांस होने के, because you have no idea what is advancement. Advancement is emerged from French Revolution, that is equality. जब तक आपके दिमाग में ये चल रहा है कि हम विशेष हैं, इक्वालिटी नहीं है, तो आज आप फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन से पहले की दुनिया में जी रहे हैं, इसीलिए आप एडवांस नहीं हो सकते। थैंक यू सो मच।
Morning everyone, my name is Nachit. Today is 8 March. We are celebrating International Women's Day. It is a day to tell our mother, sister, and all women, and that they are very special to appreciate respect and love you a lot. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Rajesh Yadav. Today is 8 March. We are celebrating International Women's Day. Thank you.
Good morning, respected directors, sir, principals, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Arvi Rakesh. I study in class 2. Today I am deliver 5 lines on International Women's Day. So first of all, I wish all of you Happy Women's Day. So let's start. International Women's Day is celebrated on 8 March. Women's right. Women play an important role in everyone's life. There are many inspiring women like Indira Gandhi, Kiran Bedi, Kalpana Chawla, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Kalau tu kan mobile. क्या कहता आउट होने के लिए? लो आउट हो गई.
All the house. Now we are again start and continue our quiz competition. And the question goes to the yellow house. Who was the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft? And your option is Asma Chatterjee, Sarla Thakral, Andyabi Gopal Rao Joshi and Sheila Dave. Who was the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft? Yes, this is the right answer. Sarla Thakral. And in 1936, Sarla Thakral became the first female to fly an aircraft. All of you know, na? Aircraft? Yes or no? Okay. Now this question goes to Red House. Who was the first woman for India to climb Mount Everest? Mount Everest. Very good. Bachendri Pal is the right answer. In 1984, Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman. In 1984, Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Right? Now this question goes to Greenhouse. Who was the woman speaker of the Lok Sabha? Who was the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha? Your option is Shanu Devi, Meera Kumar, sorry. This question is repeated. Okay, next question. This question is also for class Greenhouse. Who was the first ever Miss Universe for India? Ever Miss Universe for India. All right, you know very well. Okay, give the right answer. Shushmita Sen is the right answer. She is the first Miss Universe from India ever, only. After that, nobody became the Miss Universe from India. Now, next question goes to Blue House. Who is the first Indian woman to reach Antarctica? Who is the first Indian woman to reach Antarctica? Antarctica, all are you know now? What it is? It's an ocean or what continent? Okay. So, who is the first Indian woman to reach Antarctica? Your option is Punita Arora, Sushma Chawla, Mahir Mausha, none of them. Also, you got the option. If you don't know the answer, so say pass only. Your option is. Your option is Punita Arora, Sushma Chawla, Mahir Mausha, none of them. Okay, pass. Pass to the yellow house. Pass to the red house. Yes, Mahir Mausa is the right answer. In In 1979, Mahir Mausa became the first woman to reach Antarctica. पहली woman थी जो कहाँ पहुंची थी? Antarctica में. Who was the first woman from India? Okay, this question goes to Yellow House. Who was the first woman from India to become the president of General Assembly? Vijay Lakshmi Pandit is the right answer. Very good. Now this question goes to Red House. Who was the first woman to become the ruler of Delhi? Razia Sultan is the right answer. Very good. Now this question goes to Green House. Now this is the end of the quiz competition. Last 5 questions is remaining now. What is the population of female in India in 2023 to till the date? You can say the answer in approx. Population of female in India. Greenhouse. Population of female in India. Pass to the blue house. Population of female in India. Pass to the yellow house. Pass to the red house. Okay, no one. So 48.
You give the answer.
No, already
Why
I
you give
said.
the pass?
Okay. So from 23 to till the date, approx population of female in India is 48.41. 48.41%. All of you got the answer? Okay. What is the population of today? 48.41. Okay, next question goes to greenhouse. Who was the first female? Blue house. Who was the first female loco pilot? Loco pilot in India. Who was the first loco pilot in India? Pass. Pass to the yellow house. Loco pilot. Red house. Green house. No one. Surekha Yadav. In 1988, she was the first loco pilot in India. Now, this question goes to yellow house. Who was the first Indian woman to win a Nobel Prize? First Indian woman to win a Nobel Prize.
Are you ready? Okay. A musical chair game for all men of BTS. Yes.
the chair. If you touch the chair, then you can disqualify. Yeah. Okay.